Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, we are taking a closer look at the Quantum Robot Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5. We'll go through the what the developer says about the EA, examine its key features, discuss the recommended trading conditions, and finally analyze the historical backtest results to see how it performed during the testing period. As always, remember that this is an educational review and not financial advice, and historical results should never be treated as a guarantee of future performance. Let us start with the MQL5 Marketplace page. Quantum Robot EA is currently priced at 119 US dollars, and at the time of this review, it is on version 1.22, which was last updated on the 16th of May 2026. According to the developer, this expert advisor is designed primarily for XAU-USD, although it also supports selected Forex currency pairs. The EA is described as a fully automated trading system that combines trend analysis, volatility-based trade management, and automated execution logic. The exact entry algorithm is not disclosed, which is fairly common with commercial expert advisors, so we can only evaluate the features that have been publicly shared. Now, one of the main features highlighted is the use of ATR based stop loss and take profit. Rather than relying on fixed price distances, the EA uses the average true range indicator to adapt protective levels according to current market volatility. In theory, this allows trade management to adjust as market conditions become more or less volatile. The developer also includes a dynamic trailing stop system, which is designed to protect profits once trades move in the intended direction. Combined with adjustable risk management and equity-based lot sizing, traders have several options for configuring position sizing according to their own account size and preferred level of risk. Another feature worth mentioning is the built-in dashboard. All right. While it does not influence trading decisions directly, it displays useful account information, including account balance, equity, current floating, profit or loss, drawdown percentage, spread, and the active lot size. Having this information available on the chart can make it easier to monitor the EA without constantly switching between different windows inside MetaTrader. The developer also notes that the EA automatically detects the broker's filling mode, and does not require any external DLL files, which simplifies installation and improves compatibility across supported brokers. Now, as for the recommended settings, Quantum Robot is primarily intended for XAU-USD, although the developer also mentions compatibility with selected Forex pairs, and then the recommended time frames include M5, M15, M45, and H1, giving traders several options depending on how frequently they want the EA to participate in the market. The recommended minimum deposit is $100, although actual capital requirements will depend on the selected risk settings and broker conditions. The developer also recommends using a low spread ECN broker and suggests VPS hosting. Okay, so to help ensure uninterrupted operation, particularly since automated systems perform best when they can remain connected to the trading server continuously. Now, let us just quickly move over to the historical backtest. Okay, for this review, the strategy tester report was generated using XAU-USD, covering the 1st of July to the 22nd of July 2026. So it's roughly around 3 weeks of market data. All right. The test also used high quality historical data. 99% history quality is what we have here. Okay, providing a reliable basis for reviewing the EA's historical behavior. So looking at the overall results, the first thing that stands out is that the strategy generated a negative overall return. Okay, because of course anyone using the EA would want it to generate profit, right? But in this case, it was actually a negative net profit, even though that 3 weeks is not enough to make a conclusion about the expert advisor. Okay, but in this case, negative 127.06 was the net loss. All right. However, as with any automated system, profitability is only one of the overall picture. One metric that deserves close attention is the maximum drawdown. Okay, drawdown measures how much the account declined before recovering, and it is one of the most important statistics when evaluating any expert advisor. In this case, the balance drawdown was 5.23%, and the maximal equity drawdown was 6.07%. It's actually fair though. It's actually fair. Now, even profitable systems can become difficult to trade if drawdown exceeds a trader's comfort level. So it is important to compare historical drawdown with your own risk tolerance. The report also shows a profit factor below 1. That indicates that the total value of losing trades exceeded the total value of winning trades during the test. You can confirm that here. The gross loss was actually higher than the gross profit. That is why the profit factor is below 1. Okay. So while that is generally considered a negative characteristic for the profit factor to be below 1, it should always be evaluated alongside other statistics such as the drawdown, the trade frequency, and the overall consistency. Okay. Another point is that the EA completed just 12 trades, all right, throughout the testing period, even though the testing period was roughly around 3 weeks. Okay, but larger trade samples generally provide a better representation of how a strategy behaves under different market conditions than tests based on only a handful of positions. So now looking at the historical equity curve, okay, the performance was not smooth. As you can see, the performance was not smooth. It was not encouraging at all. Okay, and you can see that the decline was just kind of steady. It was kind of steady, until it got to a point around the 10th of July, and then it began to rise just gradually, very, very slowly. And overall, it ended in a net loss. Okay, so the account experienced both, growth phases and temporary pullbacks rather than moving, in one particular direction in a perfectly straight line. That kind of behavior is generally more realistic than extremely smooth equity curves that may result from excessive optimization. Now, since the developer explains that the EA combines trend analysis with ATR based trade management, the historical results appear broadly consistent with a strategy that adapts to changing market conditions rather than relying on a fixed approach. However, without access to the underlying source code, it's impossible to verify every aspect of the trading logic. So it is important not to draw conclusions beyond what the available information supports. Okay, as always, I would recommend extending the testing yourself before considering live trading. Testing across additional market conditions, different broker feeds and longer historical periods can provide a much better understanding of how the EA behaves under varying levels of volatility. It's also worth remembering that historical backtests don't account for every real world factor. Live trading introduces variables such as execution speed, slippage, changing spreads, liquidity, and broker specific conditions, all of which can influence actual performance. Overall, the quantum robot for MT5 appears to be designed for traders looking for an automated system that combines trend following principles with volatility based trade management and configurable risk controls. The inclusion of ATR based exits, dynamic trailing stops, equity based lot sizing, and a built in monitoring dashboard provides a comprehensive feature set for traders who prefer automated execution. Now, whether it is the right EA for your own trading will depend on your own objectives, preferred level of risk, and whether its historical performance aligns with your expectations. Before committing real funds, it is always a good idea to perform your own historical testing, optimize settings, where appropriate, and forward test on a demo account to gain confidence in how the system behaves under current market conditions. So if you'd like to learn more about quantum robots for MT5, okay, you can just check the link in the description. You can just check the MQL5 Marketplace page, okay, if you want to, read more about it. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.